try to find 3 points where I can anchor this into. I'm going to try to keep it internally. So here within the pipe, it runs about 1/2 inch. So what I'm planning on doing is I'm going to be trying to go as high as possible for me to put this in here. There is no right or wrong measure. From there, I like to put my zip tie in first, put your pipe in next, and just zip this little bad boy in. Now, one little trick that I found is if you can, try to put your zip tie in the back so then you don't have to worry about the plastic jumping into the outside. Some of my other beds, I actually ended up making this issue. Now we're going to go to the middle, find a middle point, put your pipe higher, and we're going to do the same thing.
Now we have our last anchor point.
Alright guys, once you have your areas nice and you're pretty happy and content, go ahead and zip them to their maximum area. Don't over tighten them. You might end up having some issues with plumbing. The purpose of it is just for it to stay in place. Get your snippers, cut the end. And then now your zip ties, you're able to tuck them in. Hey Judy, I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for the support. If anyone else has any questions, leave a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.